Have you ever woken up in the morning, had a full night's sleep, but still felt exhausted, as if your brain just won't switch on? Or maybe halfway through the day, your thoughts become cloudy, you lose focus, and even simple tasks feel harder than they should. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Dr. Catherine Blake, a respected specialist in aging and brain health, explains that fatigue and brain fog are some of the most common struggles among adults over 55. And here's the surprising part. Much of this doesn't come from aging itself, but from the foods we eat every single day. As we grow older, our bodies naturally slow down. Our metabolism isn't as fast, our hormones begin to shift, and even our brain chemistry changes, which can affect memory and focus. On top of that, digestion becomes less efficient, so we don't always absorb nutrients like vitamin B12, magnesium, and iron as well as we used to. These nutrients are critical for both energy and brain health. According to Dr. Catherine Blake, this is exactly why so many older adults feel tired even after resting, because their bodies aren't getting or processing the fuel they truly need. The challenge is that some of the most common everyday foods many of us grew up eating, are actually making things worse. White bread, sugary cereals, processed meats, artificial sweeteners, and even dehydration are all silent culprits. They give us quick bursts of energy but then cause sharp crashes, leaving us drained, irritable, and foggy. Over time, they can harm circulation, interfere with brain signals, and speed up memory decline. But the solution isn't about strict dieting or giving up everything you enjoy. It's about making smarter swaps. Choosing whole grains instead of refined bread, adding in leafy greens, enjoying berries, and staying properly hydrated can all make a dramatic difference. These simple shifts stabilize blood sugar, protect the brain from damage, and provide steady energy throughout the day. So today, we're going to explore the absolute best way to improve energy and clear away brain fog. We'll uncover which foods silently damage the aging body, and more importantly, what you can eat instead to feel sharper, lighter, and more alive. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, practical plan that you can start right away. After understanding which foods secretly steal our energy, it's time to focus on the foods that do the opposite, the ones that bring our body back to life, sharpen our memory, and give us lasting strength throughout the day. These foods aren't exotic or hard to find. They're simple, everyday choices that can change the way you feel meal by meal. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and collard greens are some of the most powerful energy supporters. They're filled with vitamins that help convert food into usable fuel and minerals that relax blood vessels, improving circulation to the brain. Even adding one serving of greens to your meals can make a noticeable difference in clarity and alertness. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel are another gift for the brain. The healthy fats they contain repair brain cells, improve communication between them, and support memory. People who include fish in their diets often notice steadier focus and better recall. Nuts and seeds are small but mighty. A handful of walnuts or almonds, or even a spoonful of chia or flax seeds, delivers healthy fats, antioxidants, and fiber that keep blood sugar stable. This means fewer crashes, more steady energy, and a brain that feels supported instead of starved. And then there are berries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, all rich in deep colors that signal powerful antioxidants. These compounds travel into the brain, protecting it from aging and helping repair cells. Studies have shown that people who eat berries a few times a week maintain sharper memory over time compared to those who don't. Beans and lentils are also worth adding to the menu. They release energy slowly, keeping you fueled for hours, and they provide iron to carry oxygen throughout the body and to the brain. A simple bowl of lentil soup or a salad with black beans can be both filling and energizing. Finally, while many turn to coffee for an energy lift, green tea offers something gentler and longer lasting. With just enough caffeine to wake you up and an amino acid called L-theanine that promotes calm focus, green tea helps you feel alert without the jitters or sudden crashes. The beautiful thing about these foods is that they are easy to bring into your daily routine. You don't need complicated recipes or strict diets, just simple swaps and additions. Little by little, these choices help lift the fog, bring back mental clarity, and keep your energy flowing evenly from morning to night. When you give your body the right fuel, it responds quickly, and the difference can often be felt in just a few days. Now that we've seen which foods can harm us and which foods can help, the next step is learning how to put them into practice in daily life. Knowing is important, but real change comes from simple, everyday habits. The good news is, you don't need a complicated diet or fancy ingredients. With just a few mindful choices, you can set up your meals so your energy stays steady, your brain feels clear, and you no longer experience those frustrating crashes during the day. Let's start with breakfast. Many people still rely on cereal, toast, or pancakes in the morning, but those foods can cause a quick rise and fall in blood sugar, leaving you foggy before the day even begins. Instead, aim for meals that combine protein, healthy fat, and slow-burning carbs. A spinach omelet, Greek yogurt topped with walnuts and berries, or overnight oats with almond butter and fruit are all wonderful options. They keep your blood sugar balanced, giving you lasting energy until lunchtime. At midday, lunch should be satisfying but not so heavy that it makes you drowsy. A large salad with leafy greens, avocado, and grilled salmon provides steady energy without weighing you down. Lentil soup or a wrap with hummus and fresh vegetables also work beautifully. The goal is to eat light but nourishing foods that keep you alert and focused for the rest of the afternoon. Dinner, on the other hand, sets the tone for a good night's sleep and how you'll feel the next day. Balanced meals with lean protein, colorful vegetables, and whole grains work best. A plate of baked chicken with roasted sweet potatoes and broccoli, or a simple stir-fry with tofu and brown rice, provides nutrients without causing discomfort at night. And if you need a small snack before bed, something like an apple slice with almond butter or a handful of walnuts can keep you comfortable without spiking your blood sugar. Food is the foundation, but lifestyle habits make these benefits even stronger. Staying hydrated throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty, can lift energy and improve concentration. Moving every hour, even just standing up and stretching, helps blood flow to the brain and clears away sluggishness. A regular sleep routine allows your body and mind to repair overnight, while a few minutes of slow, mindful breathing during the day can reset your focus and calm your mind. Even something as simple as enjoying caffeine earlier in the day and avoiding it before bedtime can improve the quality of your rest. When you combine nourishing meals with these supportive habits, mornings begin to feel lighter, afternoons become sharper, and that heavy fog that once seemed normal starts to lift. The beauty of this approach is that it doesn't require dramatic change. Even one small swap at a time, like choosing green tea instead of soda or sprouted bread instead of white bread, creates progress. And those small steps, repeated day after day, build into a lifestyle that truly transforms the way you feel. We've now explored which foods quietly steal your energy, which ones bring it back, and how you can put these choices into your daily life. But the real secret isn't just knowing, it's about staying consistent. The changes don't have to be dramatic, and they don't have to happen overnight. What matters is building small habits that you enjoy and then repeating them until they become part of your normal routine. The first step to making this last is to start small. Don't feel like you need to transform your entire diet all at once. Begin with just one change, maybe swap white bread for sprouted bread, or replace soda with green tea. Once that feels comfortable, move on to another. This approach keeps things realistic and prevents overwhelm. The second key is to make your food enjoyable. Healthy meals should taste good, so don't be afraid to use herbs, spices, and good quality olive oil to add flavor. When food feels satisfying, it's much easier to stick with. Planning ahead also makes a big difference. Brain fog and fatigue often make it harder to make good choices in the moment, so having healthy options ready, like pre-cut veggies, a bowl of fruit, or a container of nuts, can save you from reaching for something processed. And finally, remember your why. Maybe you want more energy to play with your grandchildren, to feel sharper in conversations, or simply to enjoy life with less fatigue. Keeping that purpose in mind will give you the motivation to continue, even on tough days. Now, let's answer the big question. If you could only do one thing to improve energy and reduce brain fog, what would it be? The most important step is to balance your blood sugar every day. Blood sugar swings, caused by refined carbs, sugary snacks, or even skipping meals, are one of the biggest hidden reasons people feel drained, unfocused, and foggy. When your blood sugar is stable, your brain receives a steady flow of fuel, your mood evens out, and your energy lasts from morning to night. Balancing blood sugar doesn't mean strict dieting. It simply means pairing proteins and healthy fats with your meals, choosing whole grains instead of refined ones, eating enough vegetables, and avoiding long gaps without food. These small adjustments prevent the highs and lows that make you tired, cranky, and forgetful. With steady blood sugar, you'll notice that focus improves, energy feels natural, and life seems easier to enjoy. So here's the takeaway. You have more control over your energy and clarity than you might think. By removing the foods that drain you, adding in those that fuel you, and keeping your meals balanced, you can reclaim that feeling of being awake, clear-headed, and truly alive. It's never too late to start, and your body will respond faster than you expect. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more simple, science-based tips to live healthier and feel younger at any age. Until next time, take care of yourself, eat well, and remember, you deserve to feel your best every single day.